In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split test emails in Aweber. Split testing, also known as A/B testing, helps you compare different email variations so you can learn what drives more opens and clicks. We'll walk through the exact workflow in Aweber, keeping everything clear and simple from start to finish. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Aweber. Look for the official Aweber website in the results and click through to the homepage. Once you're there, sign in to your account. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get in smoothly. After you're in, head to the navigation and click Messages. From the Messages area, choose Split Tests. This is where Aweber organizes all of your A/B testing tools. Next, click the Create button. Depending on your screen, it may appear as a green Create button or a blue Create a Split Test button. Both take you to the same place. Give your test a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, such as a short description of what you're testing and the date. Then open the Recipients or Segment dropdown and choose who should receive this test. If you have predefined segments, pick the one that matches your objective. For example, you might target engaged subscribers or a specific interest group. The key is to keep the audience consistent across variations so your results are reliable. Use the slider to divide your list into 2 or 3 groups. A 50-50 split is common for 2 variations, while thirds work for testing 3. Keep the distribution even unless you have a strategic reason to weight one group differently. For each segment, Group A, Group B, and Group C if applicable, click, select a draft, and choose the email you want to send. Make sure your drafts are prepared beforehand and differ only in the elements you want to test, like the subject line, preview text, or a call to action. Keeping other factors the same ensures you can attribute performance differences to the change you made. Finally, click the blue Schedule button for each group. You need to schedule and send each variation individually within the split test interface. To keep the tests fair, schedule them for the same date and time or as close as possible so they reach inboxes under similar conditions. Double-check time zones, from name, and sending address before confirming. That's it. Your split test is set. Once the emails go out, you'll be able to compare performance and use those insights to improve your next campaign.